Hello everyone, greetings from JoyLot.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Coach sunglasses model HC7118B in color code 93468G. The color of the frame is gold. On its temple is a protective sleeve to make sure that the frames don't get scratched or damaged. The lenses are gray gradient. And these glasses are a pilot shape. Its temples are gold and the temple tips are black. You'll also find the Coach logo engraved on its temple tip. And it's the same on both sides. On its inner right temple is again the Coach logo and the model number. On its inner left temple is the color code, the color of the frame, which is light gold, and the dimensions of the frame. 57 is for its lens, 15 is for its bridge, and 140 is for its temples. The glasses also come with a Coach hard case, black cleaning cloth, and a manufacturer booklet. This manufacturer is Luxottica. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested to check out these glasses or any of the glasses, head over to the link in the description and check out JoyLot.com and have a joyful day.